So second string method we will discuss is capitalized. So how to use it? Like this is name and name is Rahul Singh Kumar. This is the name. So how to use capitalize? So just use capitalize. So what it will return? It will return I am changing some I am doing small r. So it will return the string where first character will be in capital letter. So this is you can see here it will R is in small letter and here R is in capital letter. Now one more is title. So how to do it? So like there is name is Rahul Singh Kumar. So using name dot title, so it will return in this first character of each word will be capitalized. Like here you can see Rahul Singh Kumar. So and here you can see Rahul Singh Kumar where first character of each word has been capitalized. Now see one more. What is upper and lower? So how to do it? Name dot dot upper, it will capitalize all the characters in the string. Here you can see. Now name dot lower, it will return string in lowercase. All the characters are in lowercase. Now see find method. So find method will find the character index, will find the characters index. So I want to find h in name. So it will return index of first occurring h. So it will return the index of first occurring h. So it is returning 2. It is not returning 0, 1, 2. Here is you can see there is 2h, but it is returning 2 because it will return first occurring h. Now we will see count. What count to do? So it will count the number of characters. So in name I want to count how many time h is in character. So this is 2. As we can see here, h 1 and 2 times in this string, so it is returning 2. Now see how index works. So for this I am applying index. It return the index of a character like I. So it will return the index of I. So it will always return first occurring I index. So here you can see I present here and its index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it is returning 7. So it as it so what if we pass some format like this R A. So it is it didn't find any RA. So as you can see here RA is present So why it is not returning? Because all it always find characters, not the string in string. It always find characters in string, not string in string. Now now replace method replace method see replace method. This replace method, how to work with replace method. Name dot replace. I want to replace r, small r, to 1 2 3. So it is has been replaced. It is replaced every r to 1 2 3. Now see split method, how to work with split method. So for this, name dot split. So by default it will split the string at space. So as you can see, Rahul Rahul Singh Kumar, there is space after Rahul, there is space after Singh. So it will split the string at Rahul, then Singh, then Kumar, and it will return a list of these splits. So we can change the default split. So by this, I want to split at I. So it has it split it like this: RAHUL space S, then NGH space KUMAR. So we also split like this, split comma. So if the as there was no comma in string, so there is only one element in returning list. Now we will see some methods which return binary values, true or false. Like in this first one is upper. It will check that the string is capitalized, all the characters in string is capital or not, in capital case or not. So like here name is name. So name dot is upper, as you can see here, is upper. So it is returning true. And if name was like this, name is name. So now check name dot is upper. So it is returning false. Now one is lower. It will check all the characters is lower or not. So is name is I am defined name is name. All the characters is lower or not. So name dot lower. So what if I include some special symbol or number? So what it will return? We have to see. I don't know about it. I am not sure. So as I can see that all the English characters are in small case and there is one number. So check name dot h lower, so it is returning true. So it is as actually these all the definitions are defined by Python developer. Some developer or designer, we can say designer, who created Python language. These can be false, which if they want that I don't want it to be true, so they can make it false also. So these are some rules defined by Python designer. So one more method is numeric. Is numeric is numeric. So how to do it? Like number is string format 235, because we are working with methods of string, not methods of integer. So nu dot is numeric. So yeah, it is numeric. So is it alphanumeric? It is numeric, and name dot is numeric is numeric. No, it is false. So one more method is alphanumeric. Is alphanumeric alpha? First check alpha is alpha. So name dot alpha is alpha. So name dot is alpha is returning false. So why it is returning false? As here you can see, name is EAME2. There is a number in string, so it is returning false. So again we will defining name is and name is RIP. Now checking name dot is alpha. Now it will return it is alnum, not alpha. H so name dot alpha. So it is true actually. And one more method is alphanumeric. Is alphanumeric as he I we same as is alpha alnum. So how to use it? So as we define number is string 254. Now 254 alphanumeric is combination of string alphabets and numbers. So n dot is alphanumeric alpha, then I am h alpha alnum. So alphanumeric has been removed, I think. So now this is alnum. So it will return true. And what if I include only number 1, 2, 3? So it is alnum or not? N dot is alnum. Yes, it is alnum because it has number. N dot now it if it is only has if a string only has string English characters. So checking this is alnum, so it will return true. So these were the some majorly used string methods in Python, and there are many methods you can just check it by, like I have name Each string I have name, just type dot and tab button. Then you can see the method supported by this string. There are many methods, so you can check it by one, or in real world we always Google that how to perform some kind of operation, but there are some majorly used uh, string methods. So thanks for watching this video. We will see you next one.